Is your external component the NPK Crypt Library DLL not found? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I'm here to help you re-establish specialized software links. Before the technical guide for NPK Crypt Library, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the NPK Crypt Library, a specialized cryptographic library frequently found in Korean market online games and payment software. It manages the localized anti-hack or secure transaction handshakes. Because it uses non-standard hashing and memory hooks, it is a frequent target for 0xC02 errors caused by conflicts with modern antivirus products. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Errors involving NPK Crypt Library DLL typically suggest that the specialized software files within your host software are truncated or missing, and a fresh installation of that program is the best way to fix the internal directory. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the NPK Crypt library file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now, or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. Since that didn't resolve it, let's pivot to step 3 to address the root cause directly. If you need to pause the video to get your workspace ready, take your time. If you're still seeing performance alerts post-reboot, it's time to rebuild the diagnostic registration entries. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, the issue is typically found in the registry registration rather than the file itself. This rebuild command clears out legacy performance data and re-establishes a clean connection to the OS monitoring tools. Before we finish, let's go over the professional protocol for sourcing essential system libraries. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of NPK Crypt Library DLL, unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Resolve library inconsistencies and review system architecture using the reference below for information related to your NPK Crypt library environment. If this diagnostic guide saved you time launching NPK Crypt library today, please show your support by liking the video and subscribing for more expert-level troubleshooting.